Does studying English abroad differ much from studying English in your country? Learning can be gained in different ways, and the environment serves as one of the most important elements of efficiency. The person who is exposed in a good learning environment can have a great chance to learn new things. If I want to learn foreign language, and learning it effective in a short time, the atmosphere will be importantly concerned, and it may contribute much in learning. As we know, English is an official language in the world. So, our influence in English is getting wider in non-English speaking countries, regardless of sex and age. People find better conditions to learn. Among many kinds of conditions, they can choose their environment using English as the standard language of a country or not. In two different choices, they decide to study in an English-speaking country, then that would be cost-effective than nothing. They would have to use English not only in an academic school, but also in everyday life. For example, to buy a loaf of bread, to go to the destination by riding taxi, English is necessary. For such a reason, each country has its own academic language school. Not only English, but also Korean, Japanese, Chinese academic school exist in their country. Like this, the interrelationship between learning language and environment is significant. In my case, the reason that I came to CIA is to study English in an English language environment. Although English is not a mother tongue in Philippines, whenever I drop by JMO, I come across the word. I have to read it and speak it. Also, I have to speak English even in my dormitory to talk with my Japanese roommates. Now, I'm exposing myself in different environments from Korea. Besides exposure in English environment, there is another reason to benefit studying abroad. In my experience in learning English in Korean school, the education system is not good. It is focused on passive education instead of an active education curriculum. It means, while we learn a lot of vocabularies and principles in grammar, we hardly learn speaking. In other words, we just study English to get a high score and pass the exam. But what is the purpose? The purpose of learning is not evaluating someone or making a grade, but practicing what you learn for a better life. So the educational system in Korea has many problems. For such a reason, learning English outside Korea is better. There is a problem. The Sparrow School Sing a Timer. It means if someone is placed in a repeating educational environment, he or she can learn easily. Especially in case of learning other language, living in other countries in itself is an educational environment. Therefore, as far as I know, English is important now. A lot of people want to study abroad, and they continually visit English-speaking countries like the Philippines. Remember, you guys are in perfect atmosphere for studying now. So why don't we enjoy studying and have fun in the Philippines? Thank you and